how to capture screenshots with palm swipe on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Okay, so in order for you to use this feature, you need to turn on the options. To do so, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on advanced features. In here, we then scroll down and tap on motions and gestures. After that, make sure palm swipe to capture is turned on. Once it is turned on, you can swipe across like this to take a screenshot. Now the thing is, to be able to capture the screenshot, your hand must touch the screen. You cannot simply do air swipe. It has to be touching the screen like this, and that will allow you to capture the screenshot. So I can touch the screen, swipe it across like that. So it can be down or up, and that will allow you to capture the screenshot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.